The government chair, King Tackie Teiko Tsuru II, has advised that all political parties, especially the NDC and NPP, should avoid violence and maintain the peace we currently enjoy. He also advised that all the measures put in place by the government to ensure we keep safe from the COVID-19 pandemic be strictly adhered to. King Tackie Teiko Tsuru II addressed the press.
Both the NDC and the NPP and all other parties that will compete in this year's election, that it's incumbent upon them to keep the peace. We have only one Ghana. We wouldn't want any party to use force or violence to disturb the peace we currently enjoy. We ask also that COVID-19 is a pandemic and has Accra as its epicenter. So many people have died and so many people have been affected by this disease. We wouldn't want to lose anyone. We're asking that the protocols on the COVID-19 are kept strictly before, during, and after these elections. We pray that God is our help. Thank you.